I sent the Camaro away. Here's why. The combustion leak test told me what I already knew. Coolant was going somewhere it shouldn't, pushed by high pressure and exhaust fumes. You don't negotiate with that. You fix it. But I didn't just confirm a failure. It confirmed a decision. I bought this car without knowing exactly what engine was in it. I know it's an early 80s small block. I know it's been modified. And I know the history stops where the paperwork does, which is nowhere. No build sheet, no receipts, just an unknown V8 with a story it wasn't ready to tell. That engine was never staying. The exhaust fumes just moved the timeline forward. I made the call months ago. LSA, 6.2 liters, factory supercharged, 556 horsepower, 551 foot-pounds of torque. A modern Chevy engine built to be driven. In a 70 Camaro, the engine is the story. Everything else, the suspension, the transmission, how it drives, exists in relation to what's under the hood. The TR6060 is already in the car. It comes out with the current engine. The suspension is right. The front mount Serpentine system, the vintage air, the body mounts are done. The chassis is nearly ready for an engine it was never designed to hold. The LSA is not a repair. It's the reason. This is the last time the Camaro looks like this. The engine in the car now, the mystery small block with no paperwork, no lineage, and no clean ending is coming out. Maybe it's a head gasket. Maybe it's a cracked head. Maybe it has one more secret buried inside it. Either way, the diagnosis didn't change the plan. It clarified it. An LSA doesn't just fall into a 1970 engine bay. Motor mounts, oil pan, accessory drive, cross-member clearance, fuel system, wiring harness, standalone ECU, supercharger packing. This is not a weekend swap. It's a ground-up conversion. I can do a lot in this garage. I can't do all of that here. Sending the car out isn't failure. It's accuracy. The diagnosis is over. Now the work begins. First, the unknown V8 comes out. Then the engine bay gets stripped, cleaned, and prepped. The LSA gets fitted. The fuel system gets electronic. The wiring becomes something that can actually control a supercharged engine. Every step gets documented. Some get their own episodes. If I hadn't already decided this engine was temporary, the leak would have felt like a setback. Ugh. Instead, it felt like a confirmation. The car told me what it needed. I listened. The garage is empty now. It won't stay that way. When the Camaro comes back, it comes back with a power plant that didn't exist when this car left the factory. A supercharged LSA in a 56-year-old chassis, modern output, vintage weight. No more guessing about what's under the hood. Every video that led here, the engine investigation, cylinder head diagnosis, and LSA versus 383 breakdown is in the description. If you missed any, the order matters. That's where this build starts. Not with a perfect car, with an honest one. ZL70. Subscribe.